monthly test went pretty well overall. First, we had our accounts exam on 21st. My accounts paper was decent, but I had doubts in a few questions. Also, two of the questions were from topics that had not been taught to us, so I was expecting to get some grace marks for those, but I'll tell you what I actually got them or not. Keeping a little suspense. After that, I had my English exam. It went quite well. Overall, it was good. I will also share how the marks turned out. Then came my maths exam, and it went really well. The marks might seem just satisfactory to others, but for me, it was a big improvement because I had not scored this well in maths like in my previous year. So I was quite happy. Next was the economics exam. It went okayish. The theory part was strong, but I struggled with the numerical questions. Honestly, class 12 macroeconomics feels quite difficult to me right now, whereas like the class 11 microeconomics was very easy. Like it was way too easy, and you just needed to remember some graphs and a few concepts, and the questions were very simple. Or I don't know, maybe the teacher was that good. Finally, there was the business studies paper. I didn't get any proper break for it. Like it was just after the economics exam. Only 2 chapters were included, but both were very long and required like a lot of memorization actually. And obviously, I could not prepare everything perfectly, but I still managed to answer most of the questions in the exam. I was expecting decent marks, but I'll tell you exactly how much I scored later. So let's talk about my marks. So I had already received my marks after the exams were over. I'll tell my marks in the same order as the exams were conducted. So first was accounts. In accountancy, I scored 25 out of 40, which was obviously not good. As I mentioned earlier, there were some topics that were not taught to us yet, questions still came from them. So I feel we should have been given grace marks, but we didn't get any. So that's that. Along with that, there were other questions I actually knew but still made silly mistakes. One of those questions was for 3 marks actually, not 30, and I made such a careless mistake that I lost all those marks. I think I would have scored around 30 and I wasn't expecting that much, but it's okay. Next, I had my English exam. In English, I scored 34 out of 40. It's good, but I expected a bit more, like of 35. I also made some silly mistakes here as well. For example, I knew the correct answer, but I ended up writing the opposite one, like the true-false questions. After that was my maths exam. We got a gap of 2 days for it, but we still had to go to school. It wasn't an actual holiday. Still, I decided to take leave for 1 day. The maths exam went well. I scored 36 out of 40, which I was quite impressed with. I wouldn't say the chapters were difficult. The paper mainly covered relations and functions and matrices, and both of these chapters were quite easy for me. I think that's one of the reasons I scored well, maybe. I also felt I could have scored a full 40, but there were a few questions where I got stuck, which is why I ended up with a 36. Next was my economics exam. I scored 29 out of 40, which is obviously not very good. As I mentioned earlier, the theory part went quite good, but I struggled with the numerical part. I was quite confused about how to solve some of the questions. I can also see that I didn't practice enough questions. For example, in accountancy, I practiced a lot, yet my grade wasn't that good. So I definitely need to work harder. Yeah. After that, we had our business studies exam. For me, it went quite well. Even after counting all the mistakes I thought I made, I expected to score above 30 or at least 35, and I ended up getting exactly 30 out of 40, which I think is okay, actually. I feel like the way I presented my answers affected my marks. According to my teacher, answers should be written in a proper format, and I think I need to practice that. And that's probably where I lost marks. I also feel I could have scored more, but I didn't, so I need to study even harder next time.